How to buy Fuse on FuseSwap. First of all, to buy Fuse we need to go to a website called FuseSwap.com. You will find a link to this website in the description of this video, so all you have to do is click on it and then you will be taken to this page. Once we get here, we will need to connect our MetaMask account. So over here, make sure that you have MetaMask installed on your browser. If you have it installed, make sure you are logged into your account. And if you don't have MetaMask yet, check out my other videos. You will learn from them how to install and use MetaMask. So once you log into your MetaMask account and you get to FuseSwap.com, you need to click over here on this button that says Connect to Wallet. And then you need to choose which wallet you want to connect, so let's choose MetaMask. Once we start connecting MetaMask, a window like this will pop up, so over here we need to choose which account we want to connect and then hit Next. After we hit Next, we need to connect to confirm. And right now our MetaMask is already connected. As you can see over here, you will see part of your public address. And now we can move to the next step, which is swapping Fuse. So in order to buy Fuse, we need to make sure that our MetaMask is connected to Fuse network. So in order to change that, you just click over here and change it from Ethereum to Fuse. If you don't have Fuse network over here, you need to check out my other video. I've explained there how to add Fuse network to MetaMask. And once we do this, it looks very similar to Uniswap, so all we need to do is type over here from which currency are we buying. So let's say I'm going to choose USDC. And then down here we need to select which crypto are we buying. So here we need to choose Fuse. And right now we will be able to perform a swap. Over here we can see our current balance. So as you can see, I have $10 of USDC. So let's say I want to buy Fuse for $3. So I would type over here 3 and it will automatically calculate how many Fuse I'm gonna get. Down here we can see the price. So for example, 0.17 USDC per Fuse is the current price. So we have to hit Approve USDC and then confirm this in our MetaMask. So we just hit Confirm. Once you approve USDC or any other cryptocurrency that you're gonna use to buy Fuse, we can hit on Swap. And once we hit on Swap, over here you will see from which currency to which currency are you swapping. So we are swapping USDC, 3 USDC into 17 Fuse. And then down here you can see some additional information like what is the price impact and liquidity provider fee. So we hit Confirm Swap. And right now it will ask us to confirm our transaction. Over here we will see gas fee. As you can see, it's very small compared to Uniswap. So we just hit confirm. And then as you can see, transaction was already submitted. We need to wait usually around 5 to 20 seconds for the transaction to be confirmed. And once the transaction is confirmed, our balance should be updated. And as you can see, I just swapped 3 USDC to 17 Fuse. And as you can see, the balance over here was also updated. It added 17 Fuse over here and deducted 3 USDC. So this is how you can buy Fuse on FuseSwap with any crypto you have. I would recommend using Ethereum, KNC or USDC, but you can use any other currency that is available on FuseSwap. And that would be it for today. Please let me know in the comments if you managed to buy Fuse, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.